A noun is a naming word. It is the name of a person, place, thing, animal, idea, or feeling. Anything you can see, touch, feel, or talk about. That word is a noun. Example: teacher, school, phone, dog. Happiness, love. Common noun is the general name of a person, place, animal, or thing. It is not specific, like girl, book, apple, cat, ball, shoe, dog. Proper noun is the specific name of a person, place, day, month, brand. Example like Sana, like India, places like United States, things like iPhone. Concrete noun is something you can see, touch, smell, hear, or taste. Example: flower, you can smell it. A car, you can touch and feel. Cup, flower, shoes, bicycle, cat, these are all concrete nouns. Abstract noun is something you cannot see or touch. You can just feel it. Like example is happiness, honesty, bravery, love, anger, success, and friendship. Collective noun is a word used for a group of people, animals, or things. Example like our team won the match, a flock of birds flew in the sky, a pack of thieves, a team of workers, a circle of friends. Countable noun is something you can count with numbers. Example: I have 2 books. Books is countable noun, and she ate 3 apples. Are all countable nouns which you can count. Example: table, bags, keys. Uncountable noun is something you cannot count. Example: there is some water in the glass. Water is an uncountable noun. I need more information about the project. Information is an uncountable noun. Water, rice, sugar, milk, which you cannot count, are all uncountable. So look at the quick revision. Then later I'm gonna ask you few questions. You got to answer them. Okay. The Taj Mahal. Which type of noun is this? It is a proper noun because it is a name of a monument. Water. Which type of noun is it? It is uncountable noun which you cannot count. Happiness, tell me which type of noun is that? It is an abstract noun because you can just feel it. Teacher, which type of noun is this? It's a common noun. Ria is reading a book. Ria is a proper noun because it is the name of a person specific. The cat is sleeping on the sofa. Cat is a common noun because it is not specific. Milk is good for health. Identify that noun, milk. Milk is an uncountable noun because you cannot count it. She bought 2 apples. So apples are a countable noun because you can count apples. The teacher praised the class. Class is a collective noun because it's a group of students. Please subscribe if you find this video useful.